Hey guys, here's another video of opening up Pokemon cards. I might be coughing throughout the video because I have a little cold. So yeah. And here's my cat, Nemo. Her name's Nemo, by the way. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna start opening up some cards. We have him. I forget his name. Mega something, I forget. And then we have Mega Electric. So, I guess I'll open up him. It looks kind of weird, look. Mega Electric goes in this one. Alright. Let's open up Mega Electric. I think that's his name. I'm probably getting it wrong. I don't know. Put it in the comments if I'm saying it right or not. Wait a second. This is so weird. I opened up the Electric pack and got him. That is weird. So I opened these two up. This one had this, and this one had this in it. That and this in it. That never happened to me before. That's funny. Alright, so I guess I'll open up this one. And it's opposite. And I got these at $5 below, so I think they might be a little bit cheaper than $5 below than pretty much like anywhere else if you want those. So here's the code. Alright. So 3 from the back. Oh, I just saw a good card. So we have Shauna, Trick Coin, Target Whistle, Pumpkaboo. I think I got that. Joltik Snow. I don't think I ever got a Joltik. See, like that's my cold. Alright, got Carablast. It's pretty cool. It's grass. Chansey. Huh. Cool. Chansey. Bunnelby. And Reverse Loudred. And then Level EX Aegislash. I never got that before. Look at that HP, 170. That's cool. I never got this before. That's really good. Strong. It's nice. I like that. That's what I need. Now, this. And maybe like later on today I'll do like Clash of Clans video. Or maybe I'll do Omega Ruby one. Omega Ruby episode. So there's another one. From the back. I did that wrong. Boldor. Loudred. It's like the same one, but I got a reverse. Oh. Exorasic? I don't know his name. I've never got him before. I should know him from the game. Bunnelby. Another one. Zubat. No attack, but it's cute. Some mats are cute. Nice Skarmory. Sweet. 90 damage for Iron Wing. That's strong. 100 HP. Gulpin. Something like that. It's like reverse. It's hard for me to show you. You want to go this way? I'm thinking that way. It's weird, so I apologize. I'm gonna Frillish. Now here's the thing, when they put more than one Pokemon, I don't know which one it is. Is it boy or is it the girl, or they have like other Pokemon with it. Moldor, reverse Moldor. That's nice. And Leavanny. I don't think I ever got a Leavanny before. Sweet. 130 HP. Alright. Thank you guys. So I might do a couple more videos later in the day. Like, maybe I'll do Clash of Clans. And, maybe I'll make a Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. I'll make a Ruby, sorry. Because I already did Alpha Sapphire. Sorry. So yeah. That's the animal. Bye. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Bye. And subscribe.